everyone. I'm out here getting my beds ready for planting some okra. I don't really have many garden tools. I have a shovel, almost a full shovel. Part of the handle's broke, and I have a rake with a half a handle. And a hoe that's in the truck broke down, not here for me to use. So I'm using this stick. That's about 8 inches, maybe 8.5 inches across there. So I've drawn a line. I use this stick across this way like this, and then on the way back I drug it down just like this right here, and that's where I'm going to plant my okras. And then here in the front, in a little bit, I'm going to plant some tomatoes plants, I think. I may plant them back here. I ain't decided what I'm doing exactly. I need more garden space, and I'm trying to cram stuff in here anyway. Thank you. Comment below how your garden's doing, or if you garden, or what you would like to learn to grow. This is some of my seedlings I got coming up. This is my potatoes. Got a little bit of stuff growing. Thank you.